Government of India has to refinance 29 lakh crores of government debt. Government के लोन 29 lakh crores refinance होने हैं अगले 5 साल में. तो गवर्नमेंट आप जानते हैं वो कभी लोन रीपे नहीं करती है, नए लोन निकालती है and that's how they refinance their maturing loans. So in the next 5 years, all the big spending which was done during COVID, इतने सारे free meals, इतना सारा infrastructure, नए रोड, ये सब के पैसे भरने पड़ेंगे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को. 29 लाख करोड़ की लोन भरपाई. They will do what they are doing. RBI is settling off maturing short-term loans and substituting them with long-dated 20 साल 30 साल के लोन अभी Government of India निकाल रही है to pay the old loans. What this is happening is, who will lend for 20-30 years to Government of India? Yes, it is banks, and the new entrant there is insurance companies. आप और मैं जो पॉलिसी निकालते हैं, 90% of policies in India are towards the investment plans. वो इन्वेस्टमेंट के लंबे ड्यूरेशन के पैसे are going into buying government bonds of 20 and 30 years duration. But yields क्या है? आगे RBI is cutting interest rates. It cut already in February. April में भी RBI interest rate cut करेगा. Government को ये loans सस्ते में पड़ेंगे. But you and me, हमारे households को क्या return मिलेगा? When we buy these insurance policies, nobody, not even IRDA, is making these insurance companies declare what returns they have given to the policy holders. Yes, mortality risk, यदि I pass away, then my insurance is covered. But what is the investment returns from taking out that policy? Where is that full disclosure? Are we taking out policies only to lend money cheaply to the government of India? No, we also want returns. Well, I hope insurance companies के जो treasury desks हैं, वो आगे चल के bond vigilantes का काम करेंगे. They will demand good returns, I hope, from RBI. You know that right from Solomon Brothers till now, bond vigilantes have been the ones who have kept government profligacy in check. And now this baton passes on to the treasuries of insurance companies. I hope they keep policyholders' interests in mind. Otherwise, policyholders के हाथ में बहुत कम returns बनेंगे और गवर्नमेंट के होंगे वारे न्यारे.